Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's start with the login process because many beginners get confused here. First, open the Cluely AI website or mobile app if it's available in your region. Tap sign up if you're a new user or log in if you already have an account. You can usually continue with your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. After verifying your account, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard where all the AI tools are available. The setup only takes about a minute. Now let's talk about what Cluely AI actually does. Cluely AI is designed to be your smart productivity assistant. Instead of switching between multiple apps, it helps you generate ideas, answer questions, summarize long documents, improve writing, brainstorm content, and solve everyday tasks much faster. Whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or business professional, it can save a significant amount of time. One thing I really like is its clean mobile interface. Everything is easy to find, and even if you've never used an AI tool before, you'll learn it quickly. Simply type your question or request, and within seconds, Cluely AI generates detailed responses. You can use it to write emails, create social media captions, generate blog ideas, summarize notes, prepare interview answers, translate content, or even plan projects. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. Another advantage is speed. Responses are generated quickly, making it useful when you need instant help without opening multiple websites. Of course, no AI tool is perfect. Some advanced features may require a paid plan, and like any AI assistant, you should always review important information before using it for professional or academic work. So, is Cluely AI worth trying? If you're looking for a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly AI assistant for your mobile device, then yes, it's definitely worth testing, especially if a free version or trial is available. It combines convenience, speed, and powerful AI features into one easy-to-use platform. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest AI tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.